In this video, you will learn how to use Figmotion Figma plugin. Install and open Figmotion. Install the Figmotion plugin from the Figma plugin library. Then, with the frame selected in Figma, go to Plugins, Figmotion, then open Figmotion. Connect the plugin to a standalone app. One-time code or login prompt may appear. Follow the instructions to connect the plugin to Figmotion's interface. Select your frame. If you have not already, select a top frame that includes the elements that you want to animate. Assign keyframes to layers. In the Figmotion timeline, expand your layers and set initial keyframes as properties, such as positions, scale, rotation and opacity. Set end state and timing. Move the timeline playhead and adjust property at different timestamps to animate your elements. Adjust easing. Apply easing options like ease in or ease out to make the animation feel more natural and smooth. Now you know how to use the Figmotion Figma plugins. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.